No, okay. Okay. So that need to check.
Which
If,
connection it is, right?
yeah.
It should be a soap. Some you created. That is. This is where naming convention is very important, right?
So I can't make out from here for
You
which
can.
one.
You can just hover. You can hover over that first trigger connection, and the name should come out, pop out. Just stay there. Yeah. Endpoint is connection RP soap service assignment 2.
This one, right? The
Yeah.
endpoint I have to take, right?
Right.
No, connection.
The
RP
connection
soap.
name.
RP soap
RP
service
soap
assignment.
service assignment 2.
Okay. RP soap service assignment. To this one.
Yeah.
So you know what? The other day when I was practicing, when I was changing the WSDL, and I
Mm-hmm.
upload it and use the same integration, it doesn't reflect.
Yeah, sometimes it happens. There is a bug. Let's see. Yeah, upload
Uh,
again.
Maybe I didn't delete it that time. So
Is this the one you modified?
yes,
Okay.
this one. Okay.
Test it, test it. Only after testing it will be 100%.
Okay. Yeah. Integration.
No, 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 no. You need to rerun that wizard again, the top one. Because you have changed the connection, right? You want to make sure that reflects here. So just open it and run through all the steps again. Click on edit. Just left click on this and then
Oh,
you will get an edit.
okay. I didn't do that.
Yeah, you should do that.
हाँ शाम में 7 बजे आइए हाँ just give me a second मधु क्या
Sure, sure.
7 मैं हूँ नहीं ना वो उसको लेके जाना पड़ता है बेटी को हैं अभी 9 9 9:30 हुआ है हाँ हाँ अच्छा ठीक है फोन लगाते हैं
Actually, I was there in Pune for 7, 8 months.
1 minute she's saying something क्या हुआ
Okay.
क्या हाँ 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 बाहर लॉक लगा दिया ना हाँ सॉरी हाँ या so you were there
No,
in
no.
Pune
Yeah, I was there in Pune initially.
okay
I used to stay in Vimanagar near the WBS building or WS some building was there.
oh
A big.
okay I'm staying in Vimanagar
Okay, I near that WBS. I forgot that company name. There is
uh,
one big building. Okay. Anyways,
giga space
what is that?
giga space
No, no, WS or something. Some building was there. I forgot. It's a very big building.
okay
It's a company. It's a software company.
yeah I got it we have many companies there
Right, right. Yeah. There I used to stay. I stayed there for 1 month, and
okay
then I
only
shifted back to yeah, no, in Vimanagar 1 month, and then to Hinjewadi,
oh okay
and that was like almost 4 years back.
okay so now you are based in Hyderabad
Yeah, yeah. From
Okay.
there, I went to US, and I was there for 6 7 months, and then to Mexico. And I
Okay.
came here only 3 4 months back, and I'm traveling next month again.
Okay. So you have a lot of traveling.
Yeah, a lot of traveling. Yeah, I mean, last week I was in, sorry, last month I was in Singapore for some
Yeah,
client
right.
visit.
You did mention.
Yeah, yeah. Otherwise, I would have completed this at that time only.
Yeah. So never mind.
Yeah, yeah, no problem. You can update this. You need to make sure you update this. An element attribute max
So
occurs,
when
element
when are
invalid
you
attribute.
visiting Pune again?
I don't know. Maybe not.
No, no, do visit.
Sure, I'll try to. It says some error, right? Min occurs, max occurs, unbounded. Can you go to your visual again? Min occurs 0, max occurs unbounded. Okay. Oh, you did not close that?
No, this is closing here,
One
and this is the
second.
closing for element.
Yeah, it is closed correctly. Then why is it giving an error? Hello world. Min occurs. Okay. Hello world. Okay, let us. No, I think there is something wrong on that. Can you paste that visual in the chat?
Only this much schema.
No, no, and yeah, entire, yeah, only schema, at least schema. Yeah, that works. So is it hot there now, or
No, the weather is pleasant. It's raining every day in the evening.
that's really good? I actually missed that here. That's one thing good about Pune.
Right. So it's if in the morning if it is hot, the weather ensures that it cools down in the evening.
That's true. But in Hyderabad, it's the other way around. I
Yeah, I
mean,
stayed in
it's
Hyderabad. I was there
oh,
in
it's always
2005.
hot. Only thing is, food is I like Hyderabad food a lot.
Yes, yes.
I mean, Pune food was also good, but still,
No, so I am in Pune from past 20 years, but when I was in Hyderabad, the food I really liked the food. I'm Punjabi, so I
okay.
actually I love Punjabi food. So not
Yeah, there is
too
one restaurant in Hyderabad actually. I went there twice and I loved the food there. I forgot the name though. It's in High Tech City.
okay.
Yeah,
That,
it's a Punjabi
that,
restaurant.
okay, okay, okay. Now we used to visit all the Hyderabadi restaurants to have Hyderabadi food.
Occurs, max occurs. What is the error we are seeing? Can you
Yeah. Mm.
just update? Click update again. Invalid attribute in element invalid attribute. Min occurs in element invalid. Okay, can you 1 second? I think it has to be a complex element, then only you will be able to okay. Complex type.
So do we need to change anything in mapping?
No, no, no. Only after this change, you will be able to change in the mapping.
Oh, okay. Invalid attribute. Max occurs. Okay. So it's not recognizing unbounded.
Yeah, it's not recognizing unbounded. There should be some reason for that. Let me see why it is. It's the reason I think I should be able to figure out. So we don't have a complex type inside the schema. That can be one reason.
Complex type is there, right? This is, we have written complex type here.
Complex type. No, what I mean to say is this has to be inside the complex type. So
Oh,
what I will do, element hello world, I'll keep it as is. And then inside the complex type, just give me 1 minute. I'm just making few modifications. This
no
should
problem.
work. So are you working from home nowadays or you're not working?
No, actually, I lost my job in layoff,
Oh, okay,
and
okay.
yeah, and I was when I got promoted as manager, so I was into managed services. So not much of technical touch left with me.
Oh, got it, got it.
Yeah. So now looking out for new opportunities, they ask for technical knowledge.
Okay, that is fine.
Yeah.
And so your earlier, which company were you working for?
Jade Global.
J Global.
They have a Jade, Jade
Oh,
Global.
JAD.
They have
Yeah,
a
okay, okay. Yeah, yeah.
they have a branch in Hyderabad also.
Oh, okay. Yeah, IT, we can never trust, honestly.
Right. And especially when you are at a higher level, no?
At
So
high level, the risk is more.
yes.
That's why I don't want to get promoted at all. You just go on increasing my salary. That's what I actually tell my
Yeah.
managers on a lighter note.
No, even I did, but then they said your bracket is crossing that, so we can't help it. We
Okay.
have to promote you. And after promotion, I worked as a manager for 3 years, and then layoff.
So I gave you another schema. Let's try pasting this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, just nowadays, just managing is, I mean, they're not allowing it. They want someone who can technically code and manage.
Yeah, right. No, I can technically manage still, but I am not upgraded to the new technology like
Got it, got it.
cloud. Yeah.
Yeah, being with children and I mean, it's very difficult, I know.
Yeah, but that was my mistake. I shouldn't be, I just took my comfort zone. I didn't try to
Okay.
come out of it. No, I pasted. I did
You
something wrong.
you did it wrong. The entire
I need
schema you should.
from here. what is
Yeah,
it?
from entire schema part. I think if I'm not wrong, yeah, entire schema.
Yes.
Yeah, let's try this.
Okay, what did you do? Well, you added this complex type sequence. Again, you wrote element and then complex type and sequence.
Yeah, because if you have to define min occurs and max occurs for a complex type, it has to be another complex type.
Okay. Okay. Sure. I'll try this.
There are a lot of openings for OIC, especially in Accenture. I'm from Accenture, so
Okay. Then also, do you think I'll be able to crack the interview with just this knowledge?
you need more practice.
Yeah.
Most probably, I don't know. I take interviews for all the Pune,
Okay.
and the openings are all in Pune only, Pune and Bangalore,
So,
and
but
all
no,
these projects. Sorry.
if you take first round also, and the second round will go to the upper management, right?
Uh,
Or
no technical round will be always done by one of my team members, or it can be me. I don't know, and
okay,
most of the times, uh, this is where it gets concluded.
okay,
Unless and until it is for salary and all, that will go to a different level. But technical rounds, you will have only 1 or 2 rounds, and the second round is where we take it.
okay. So after I complete this, can you help me getting in?
That is the problem, right? I can load your profile, and
Yeah.
the only thing is, once you get an interview, that's a different story. But getting an interview is the difficult. That is not in our hands. That the people who are managing that are contractors, so they will have some dealings with what we call outside consultancies, and
Okay.
those person will bring in someone to interview, and we'll interview them. Last week we had a walk-in. Last week I was in
Okay.
Hyderabad to take that walk-in. There were a lot
Oh,
of people, and we could only select 1 or 2. There were like 78 profiles.
yeah. No, actually, I had given for Salesforce in Accenture.
Okay,
Yeah. So, but then Salesforce even same like OIC. I'm new to Salesforce also, so I think I couldn't crack that.
okay. Yeah, do one thing for OIC, right? You practice for another 10-15 days. I
Okay.
will help you whenever, not necessarily on these. Let's say if we are done with these sessions, even I
Mhm.
will be still available. If you have any questions, we need to talk about some real-time examples and all. Then we will do that. It is still failing.
Yeah.
Why is it failing?
No, it's
Can you
failing in this itself. I mean, it's not
no,
making it.
can you open that error? Can you drop down that error? What is that error? There
Uh,
is an arrow at the left side. There is an arrow at the left side.
yeah, yeah. Unable to pass the resource.
Unable to parse credentials if required. And tag does not match. XSD sequence is not matching. Why is the sequence not matching?
So
Complex
this
type
is,
sequence. Complex type.
oh, for this is not there.
Element. Hold on. I think I know the issue. Yeah, I know the issue. I think we forgot to close one element.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Sequence.
So
Yeah.
this is one. This is the another one. Then the sequence.
Yeah, I'm giving you another schema. You can paste it.
Okay.
Or else in the same visual, what you do is remove that close tag at the end. Line number 12.
Okay. Oh
Remove
yeah.
that extra slash. Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
that should fix it. Yeah.
No, it's still erroring.
What is XSD element is why it is correct, right? What is the line number it is talking about?
Line number
XSD
27.
element. Oh, now element is not closed. Why? Okay, complex type. Yeah, we should have closed. Yeah, we need to close one more element.
Yeah, so we have removed
Just
this element from here and we need to add it here, right?
yeah, let's add one more element after the complex type. Last complex type, you have to add one more element. Copy
Last
that.
complex, this one.
Yeah, copy
Oh, yes,
24
yes, yes.
and add it under 26 after 26. Yeah, let's try this. So is your husband, I mean, is a long-term trip or
No, no, it's for 1.5 months.
months? Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Which city is in?
He's in Memphis.
Oh, Memphis.
He's with Sintel.
Central, okay.
He was
Yeah,
there
you
with
can.
Capgemini. He left that and now joined Sintel.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this
Okay.
is okay.
Okay.
This is looks good. Now let's go to that integration.
Oh, it's done. Oh,
Yeah. Mm, Max Zucker's invalid attribute. Why is it not recognizing this? We did it correctly this time. Hold on, let me make a note of this as well. So we have three issues. One is I need to debug that switch case issue. This is a new one. This is the third issue today. Visual Max Zuckers. Okay. 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 Yeah. Yeah, cancel this. I will debug why this is happening. Also, can you paste that link to me? That URL, not this one. Whatever you
uh-huh.
see in the address bar.
Okay.
Yeah, this is what I was looking for yesterday.
Oh, acha, okay.
I want to end this today here for now. Can you
Okay.
let's make sure you practice all whatever we discussed so far last night and today.
Yeah, I'll do. I'll
There
do
were
that.
around 4 or 5 topics we talked about. Uh,
Yes.
Go ahead and practice those in the evening. I will close all the issues what we were talking about, like whatever debugging I was supposed to do. I will
Okay.
complete that and I will complete that today. And tomorrow we'll start the error handling. That will cover at least that will take at least 2 3 hours tomorrow.
Okay. Okay.
So tomorrow being holiday, we'll try to connect at 9 and we'll extend till 10 11. Okay.
Okay, done.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Yeah,
Good
bye.
day.
Good.